Hey guys, it's Wendy here with Wendy's Plans, and today we are going to be setting up my everyday slash travel planner for which is my Hobonichi weeks for the week of February 3rd through the 9th. So guys, let's just get started. I think over the next few weeks I'm going to depend on this planner a lot. Um, so we are going to I'm going to try my best to get as much out of it as I can, because with moving, or I shouldn't even say moving, because where am I moving from? So going into an apartment, resetting up an apartment, there's a lot of moving pieces to that. And there's a lot of things I need to get done. There will be stuff being delivered, that kind of thing. So I need to have this with me so I know what's going on at all times. Alrighty, guys. So we've got all of that done. Whoops. But I've got so much going on that I know I'm going to be pulling this out a lot. As I was saying, I just got interrupted by a phone call from my sister. We have some issues going on with my mom, and I needed to take that. So, I know I'm going to be pulling this out and updating it and using it quite a bit over the next probably couple months. And this is going to be, because originally this was going to be my travel planner, mostly travel planner, because I was going back out on the road and traveling. But now that I'm not going to do that, I still will use it for traveling. This is going to be the one that I set up, take with me when I plan little short, long weekend type. When I say long weekend, that could mean that I'm gone Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be on a weekend. It just means I'm going to take like a long weekend, 3 days somewhere. That's my goal right now. So let's go ahead and put down my water, because guys, I have got to get back to getting my water in me, because I have been drinking soft drinks and that's not good for me. And I need to just get back to doing what I'm supposed to do, and it'll make me feel better. What did I skip? I knew I skipped one. But this is going to be where I jot all those notes, because there's going to be, again, tons of phone calls, packages, orders, things like that. Because as y'all remember, last year this time, I got rid of everything. So I need to get that kind of stuff back. So there you go. This is going to be Wendy's Plans. I am filming today on the 3rd, so I need to get that done. I need to go grocery shopping, so I need to put that down. And then on Tuesday, I need to make phone calls, but I don't really necessarily need it for here. But I do want to put down that it is a $2 Tuesday and that I am going to try my best to find a desk and a bed tomorrow. Friday, I am visiting my friend Renee. And I can't wait. It's been so long since I have seen her. On the 6th, guys, I need to get my scripts because I did not pull those out. Oops. There we go. I have not seen Renee since I went to Italy. And so it's time, guys. It's time. Let's see what else. So Thursday, I need to clean. You know what? I am going to put to call, but I think I'm going to put it over here. And I have several people that I need to call. So, you know, guys, it's all of those things that you have to get set up. Like, I need my insurance. I need my electricity, my internet. I need all of that stuff set up. So I need to make some phone calls. Definitely need to do that while we're here. I know I stopped something in the middle of the road here, guys, but if I don't finish it out, I'm going to get mixed up in what I'm doing and what I'm not doing. So let's just get these pieces down here. Alrighty. So Thursday is going to be my cleaning day. So we are going to do oh, you know what else? I did say I need groceries, but I need to do laundry too. But it's just a given. I know I'm going to do that. Oops, here's my $2 Tuesday. And I think I'm just going to use to clean. Just to make it easier on me. And then Friday, I am going I need to clean out my car. I need to check the mail first, and then I am going to clean out my car and reload it so that Saturday when I start packing, yes, it's already that time, guys. I'm just going to start packing. And on Sunday, I think I'm just going to leave it blank because I don't know yet if I'm going to need to go to Christopher and Emma's and drop a load off or not. So I think we're just going to leave it like that. This is going to be meals. I'm going to use this black pen because I need to refill my other black pen. So this is going to be make bed, walk, and tidy up. There we go. So Monday is going to be, let's see if I have a grocery shop. Groceries. And let's see what else I can use. I think that's going to be it. I'm going to give you a little. I need to look for a desk and a bed. And cleaning and check mail. Start packing. So guys, that is this is what I take with me when I'm on the road so I can look and see what is the biggest things, time consuming things that I have to do. These are the main things that I want to get done during the week. And I think I need to put important or something here. Important. Let's do important because I think that's where I'm going to put notes from my phone calls. So we're just going to put important here. I knew I needed something else. So this is basically when I'm out and about and somebody says, you want to get lunch? And I was like, oh yeah, let's go get lunch. And then I look and I see, oh, well, I'm going to be visiting Renee, or I'm supposed to be doing this, that, or the other. So that's what this is. Guys, I know this was rambly and crazy, and I apologize, but guys, it's going to get better, and I'm looking forward to actually setting up a permanent filming place in my apartment where I can make it to where I just sit and do what I need to do, and it's done, and I am looking forward to that. So guys, leave me down below the things that are playing on your mind. What has happened that, not necessarily what has happened, but what has changed since the beginning of 2025, your goals and things like that. I would love to hear from you. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like a lot of people are readjusting goals right now. So if you're one of those, leave me a note down below and leave me something that's important to you, whether it's family or whatever. Leave that little icon down below. And until next time, guys, bye bye.